The 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, front air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio, hands-free communication, power door locks, front reading lamps, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.